Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, LED headlights, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all-season, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.